Hey guys, it's the Diabetes Dudes, and today I'm going to show you what you should pack when you travel. So in front of me, I have this box and I have a bag. So this box contains medical supplies for going on a trip. In this first part of it, I have 2 pods, that's insulin, I have some ketone strips, and I have test strips. And then I have a transmitter. And since I can't fit that many pods in here, I also have another bag with 2 Dexcoms and some more pods. So that was the first part. Next, I have this part. In here I have some syringes, alcohol wipes, Band-Aids, just in case my pod might fail. Then I have some covers for my Dexcom and Omnipod. Then I have 2 extra Glucagons just in case. I have an extra poker, that's what I call it. And then we have some basal collar. And then in case my pod fails again, I have some needles, extra lancets, and batteries for my Omnipod. Then this last one, I have a list of what I am supposed to bring in my bag I have. Then we just have a bunch of different kinds of sugars. So you might be wondering, what's the reason for all these supplies? The reason is, what if your pump fails? You want to have extra things. Or what if something just goes wrong, or you run out of sugar? So you always want to have like 2 times more than you might actually need, just in case something goes wrong. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.